When you're lying on your deathbed, you're not going to worry about how much money you had, how much power you had, or how much prestige you gained. You're going to realize all those were just an illusion. The only thing that's going to matter is the impact you have created on other people. We are all on a separate journey of our lives. And the beautiful thing about this life on this earth is our funeral. We're going to talk about how successful we were, how we lived, how we loved and encouraged. It's knowing that you have not walked the planet in vain. It's knowing that because you have been here, you have encouraged people, you have developed them, and you have made this world a better place to live. The positive impact you create on people is the most valuable currency you will ever have. All those you have gained all your life will fall apart and break one day. And the only thing that will remain of you will be what was in your heart. Life is a mirror. Sometimes life gives us not what we want. Life gives us who we are. When you were born, you cried while the world rejoiced. Live in such a way that when you die, let the world cry while you rejoice. Thank you.